Yeah,
you know what? I bet you $5.
Get your hand out of my face.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know how much that is? What's up, guys? It is Arzjon and Kwams Gaming, and we're back with another video. I know, it's been a long time. I'm sorry. We've been on Gabe Real XL channel. I am Kwame, aka K Kwams, aka Kwame, aka Kwams. Now, on the right of me. Okay.
What's up, y'all? My name is Arzjon. I'm a legend like that.
Legend.
He's trash.
He's legendary. You ever seen legendary? Look at that, Wendy. Look at that. Look at that unibrow. Look at that. Look at that. Legend unibrow. Yeah. And I am.
Really, nigga?
Bam.
Bam. Bam.
There's the bell. And
Is
here
this?
we go. This is the type of
Ah,
thing
boy.
that you can show someone who's new to our brand of entertainment and say,
Yeah.
this is what WWE is all about.
Best in the business.
This one definitely stood
Oh,
out as
yeah.
one you
Hit you
don't
with a
want
knee.
to miss.
What the?
He just hit himself in the face.
He said, "Let me finish the doll for you."
That shit hurt. This dude flipping the hair in the mix.
Yes, he did.
Get
dropped. Get dropped.
Oh my god.
Your leg is
I'm
broken.
doing the splits. What
Your
am I
leg is
doing?
broken.
I know. Ow! Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that?
Because it's America.
You're right.
Everyone gets hurt in America.
Look at this rusty on ring. Yeah, BCW, my guy. BCW. Ever heard of it?
Shut up.
Comment down below 5-star splash if you have this game.
Can he finish the job?
You want to talk about meaty?
Yes, I do. You're trash.
You don't talk about meaty.
Shut up, blind man. Where's your
Oh, yes, I
walking
can
stick?
eat.
Where's
Oh,
your
watch
walking
this, dude.
stick?
Oh, yeah. Get out of here. Yeah, I'm going to eat.
Whoa. Well. Just gonna take a nap.
This is all swing. I think this is the beginning of the end, Michael. His shoulders are down. And the champ kicks out.
Just needs to do more
Do you
damage.
guys see that, eat?
It was like very easy. I'm not even red health, dude.
I gotta say, watching this match, I'm definitely seeing similarities to May
combos are
2016 Extreme Rules.
Show your comp.
Ooh,
Bruh.
ooh.
Roman Reigns defended his WWE
Look at
World
these
Heavyweight
combos.
Championship against AJ
No.
Styles.
Why not eat?
Those are fruity.
Caught.
Ow! Why'd you do that?
Boy, he is rolling. When it comes to brutality, I would agree with Michael Cole's assessment that this match shares similarities with the 2016 Reigns Styles match. Though for me, the biggest story of that night came after the match.
I'd agree with that for sure. Absolutely nobody thought they'd see Seth
You're right.
Rollins on that night, especially Roman Reigns. Big Black Mass.
Black mass.
You have to like
Why-
his
I
chances
hate when
here.
they do that.
There's
Hit
almost
him.
no rebounding from a strike.
He's going for the pin. And the champ kicks out.
Just not enough damage done yet, Cole.
Get wrecked.
I don't
Guys,
like
I
the
see
look
that.
in his eye here, folks.
You guys see? You know what? Watch this.
Look out!
Eat.
Come here, boy.
Looking to steal one. Is that enough for
Don't-
the win?
Don't you dare! Don't you dare!
Might have slipped there,
Don't
Cole.
you ever! Don't you ever, eat.
Crotch shot.
That hurt
He just hit me in my nuts.
Yes, I did.
He just hit me in my nuts.
Yep, sure did. What you gonna
me.
do about it?
Pedophile.
Clothesline. The challenger not looking good right
I
now.
would be a.
He doesn't
You
want.
can't be a pedophile unless you're a child.
Why are you hitting me in my nuts? I am a child. I'm a child.
I mean, your
I am
character.
9 years old.
I
No,
mean, your
he is a child if I'm a
Get
child.
out of control.
Shut up.
Good night.
You just
This is
knocked me
all
out in
but
one
over.
punch.
Yeah, I'll sit down. No.
Clothesline.
Still just
Impact.
still indestructible, dude. Still indestructible.
Get out of my ring.
As we've seen in the past, Extreme Rules
that's
matches create
that's
a
your
type
ring.
of hysteria
You bought that?
that's difficult to describe. Even
What's up with that
more
ring?
difficult to contain.
What's in that ring, dude?
What a
What does that ring contain?
The challenger
No,
is
like
in
for
big
real. What does that
trouble
ring
here.
contain,
This might
dude?
be the beginning of the end
Like,
for him.
These hands.
Clearly
Like,
outmatched outside the ring, guys.
I want to know.
If he's smart,
These
he
hands
finds a
contains
way to
these
keep
hands,
the
Tommy.
action within the ropes from here on out.
He's fading fast here, guys. If I'm his opponent, I'm thinking about putting him out of his misery sooner than later.
He's going for
Ooh,
it
that's
all.
what's up.
I gotta reverse this.
This
Yeah.
is what
If
makes
I
him
don't
one
reverse
of
this,
the
I'm
best
done.
in the business.
Ah, freak, freak.
Whoa.
Rick and Morty. I can't go on like
Simply
Rick and Morty.
So, after a good season, live on a cliffhanger and don't have another one? Oh, you did this.
Oh no.
It's over.
DDT
It's over.
plants
That's
him.
done. He's done.
He's got the shoulders
No way he's
down.
not done.
And the champ kicks out.
Nice kick out there.
Okay.
I mean, you got way too full of yourself. Like, look at my health.
Oh, the
Ah!
open.
Get wrecked. Oh, you run? You run? Why are you running? Why are you running?
Oh no.
You're stupid.
He goes for the cover.
You're
One.
stupid.
And the champ
You're
kicks
stupid.
out. It's gonna take more
This
than
is
that.
stupid.
You literally just ran into it.
That was stupid.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Ow!
One move after the
That
other.
was
It's
stupid.
Why did you
devastating.
just knock me
That's when you
off,
put
dude?
an
Chill out,
exclamation
dude.
point on the
No,
end
no.
of the
You
match,
want to
guys.
see stupid, Kwame? I got stupid.
He might have it. We're witnessing a level of punishment that can only be described as
Good night.
severe.
Looks like
Nice.
another victory for the champ, Michael.
I can
Good
do
night.
those.
History.
I can do
What
those.
a win.
Good night. Let's.
I know I can do those.
And here's
That's a
another look
dub.
at some incredible action from a match that we're not likely to stop talking about for a long, long time.
And roll up.
That was just one of
Take
those
that
matches
out.
that the men
Where's
involved
my
would be
highlights?
proud to be a part of. A legendary
Drop.
I have
performance.
some good highlights.
No.
Even though I didn't get to use my finisher.
Oh, yeah, I kept reversing it, didn't I?
North American champion.
Not yet.
What a back and forth battle
Yeah.
that was. That's the kind of win that makes you feel good about yourself.
I'm gonna do it.
What's going on here?
Here we go.
He wants no part of the outside. And another one. When this guy's on, look out.
Good night.
Good night.
Now that's how you successfully defend your title. I think this is the beginning of the end.
And the O'Reilly combo.
Get
Just
wrecked.
when you thought we were
Get
going to
wrecked.
crown a new champ.
That was a fitty. That
You're
was that
trash.
fitty.
Shut up.
No, that was
trash.
that freaking fitty.
Yeah. it
You know
was.
what? I
You're
bet
trash.
you $5.
Get your hand out of my face.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know how much that is?
Yeah, this 5.
$5, dude. Yeah, I bet you $5, dude. Y'all stay tuned for the next video for the rematch. And then hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and hit that post notification bell. Yeah, I just said that 2 times. I don't care. Comment down below what you want us to
You're
do
trash.
after the rematch.
You're trash.
You're trash.
You're trash.
Your yellow teeth. Your teeth look like Cheetos.
Cheetos are orange, stupid.
That's why your teeth is orange.
You said they were yellow. Make up your mind.
I don't have to make up for that. For the homies. This is for that milk for the homies. You know what I'm
The
saying?
milk is for the L that you just took.